Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. There is a walk-in interview at Glenmark, a new way for a new world. And the vacancies in the department is Quality Control, in the section is RM or PM or FG or Stability, and the experience required for it is 2 to 6 years. And another department is Quality Assurance, in the section IPQA or Validation or QMS of 2 to 8 years of experience. And another department is Production OSD, in the section Granulation or Compression or Coating or Capsule Filling of 2 to 7 years of experience. And Packing, in the section is Blister Packing or Bottle Packing or CBC Packing of 2 to 5 years of experience. And another department is Semi-Solid Dosage Forms, in the section Ointment or Cream or Gel Manufacturing and Packing of 2 to 7 years of experience required. And the qualification for them are B Pharma or M Pharma or Bsc or Msc. Date of the interview is at 21st to 26th August 2023 from 10 am to 5 pm at Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited, Pharma Zone, Pithampur. Thank you all for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Pharma Job Alert and get more updates. Thank you.